Namaskar students. Before we start this chapter, first you will open the page number 87 of your textbook, that is Mathematics Application and Interpretation SL2 Hayes 2019. This is topic B, named as linear models. It is made up by two words. First is linear, that is line, and second is expression. As we have discussed in the previous class, that there are two variables. One is x, another is y. X is independent, y is dependent. Again, I am saying the same thing. When one of the variable changes linearly as per the second variable, then the graph between these two variables will be a straight line, and the model is known as linear model. First we take an example. This is example. Here first is distance and second variable is time. Distance in meters, time in second. Time is independent variable, changes with regular interval 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. For these time periods, the distance changes, dependent variable changes by the same interval, same value, 0, 100, then 200, then 300, and then 400. If we draw a graph between them, I have drawn the graph on the copy. You can draw a graph on the graph page. So this at 5 the value is 100, at 10 the value is 200, at 15 the value is 300, at 20 the value is 400, and so on. When we join all these points, it is a straight line. So if we draw a graph, the graph is a straight line. So we can say they are linearly related. So first part we have covered, that we have checked whether they are linearly related or not. After drawing the graph, if it is a straight line, then they are linearly related. Now come to the second part. We have to find the relation. We have to find the linear model. Since it is a straight line, so it must have a gradient, and we have a formula for the gradient. The gradient stands for slope. In coordinate geometry, you have read y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So here I have taken 2 points, 0, 0 and 100, 5. So I have taken these two variables and find the gradient. 100 minus 0 divided by 5 minus 0. That means change in y value, change in dependent value divided by change in independent value. The value is 20. And since the graph passes through origin, the y-intercept is 0. So we have read y is equal to mx plus c. So y is here d, m is gradient, that is 20, x is t, and c is 0, that is y-intercept. So relation is d is equal to 20t. This is linear model. So if you have any confusion in linear model, that means you have confusion in gradient as well as in the equation of a straight line. So for the gradient, we have a formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and there is an equation of line y is equal to mx plus c, where m is gradient, y and x are variable, and c is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means the curve cuts the y-axis at a particular point. On the page number 87, there is again equation is given. This is a database is distance traveled 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the cost is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The distance is increasing regularly with regular interval 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and cost is increasing by 2. Then a graph is drawn. So see, in this graph on x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 coordinates, that is d in kilometers, and then y-axis 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, c in sterling pounds. The graph is drawn, it is again a straight line, which proves it is a linear model. What is its gradient? Its gradient y. Take any two coordinates, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. The gradient is 2. and the variable is the graph cuts y-axis at the coordinate 2, at the coordinate 4. ये ग्राफ y एक्सिस को जिस पॉइंट पे कट कर रहा है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट से 4, तो y इंटरसेप्ट इज 4. तो नाउ y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस c, तो y इज c, m इज 2, x इज d and c is 4. So c is equal to 2d plus 4. Clear? This is the first example. Now we come to the exercise. This is question number 6, the last question of this exercise. That is 5.5b, I think so. It has total 6 questions. This question is on page number 89 of your book, and the last question. I am reading the question. The graph along sides, means given in the book, shows the world record times for the women's 400 meter from 1957 to 1985, and rest database is given. The equation of the graph is y is equal to 54 minus 85 minus 0.2260 x. Up come to the first part. Before that, y is the time in seconds and x is the number of years since 1957. Matlab for the year 1957, the x will be 0. Our counting starts from 1957. So 1957 we are using x is equal to 0, and as number of 1958, 59 and so on increases, the value of x increases. Now come to the question number A. What does the model predict the time will be in 1957? Again, as I have told you, for 1957 the value of x is 0. See in the video, y is equal to 54 minus 85 minus 0.2660 multiplied by 0. For 1957 I have taken x is equal to 0. After solving, after minus the term is 0, so y is equal to 54 minus 85 seconds. But according to the graph, the value lies between 54 to 56. It is near about 55. Up there is a confusion. According to book, the answer is 54.55 something, and according to your calculation, the answer is 54.85. तो क्या ये दोनों वैल्यू सेम है? नो. क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज इफ वी गो थ्रू द ग्राफ, जितने भी पॉइंट्स उसने बनाए ना, सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स डू नॉट लाई ऑन द लाइन. तो दिस इज ए अप्रोक्सीमेट लीनियर मॉडल. So it's not to be compulsory that whatever we are getting the result that is accurate. No, it's wrong. Agree? So my answer is this linear model is approximately linear. So my answer is not accurate. ठीक है? Come to the second part. Could the model be used to estimate world record time prior to 1957? Before we discuss B and rest of the part, there are two terms. Suppose a data is given from 1957 to 1987. If the question is asked for any year in between 1957 to 1987, it is known as interpolation. And if the value either exceed from 1987 or less than 1957, then it is extrapolation. Agree? जो हमारी को रेंज दे रखी है, if our data belongs in between the given range, then it is interpolation, and beyond that extrapolation. We are not still sure about the result of interpolation. जो भी इंटरपोलेशन डेटा होता है हम उसी के लिए श्योर नहीं है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेट है. तो बियॉन्ड तो इट इज़ ऑब्वियस कि उसमें तो एक्यूरेसी होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो जाते हैं. दैट्स वाई द आंसर फॉर द बी, could the model be used to estimate world record time prior to 1957? According to me, no, it's not possible. But as that is a straight line, so for few of the years, for 2-3 years, 1956, 55, 54, 53, we can use it, but it will give the approximate result, and we will not believe on that result. That result will not be reliable. Okay, come to the C part. द वुमेन्स 100 मीटर रिकॉर्ड इज गिवन 10.49 फॉर 100 मीटर. तो 400 मीटर के लिए कितना हो गया? 10.49 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 इज 41.96 seconds. So y is given 41.96 seconds as per the question. He is asking the x. I have put the value in the linear model and the x is 48.458. x starts with 1957 पर x 0 था. तो अगर x 48.458 आता है then that means we have to add 1957 to it. तो मैंने 1957 इसमें ऐड किया. About is 2005. So whatever the question is asking, this 41.96 second will appear in 2005. It is approximate. It is not accurate because it is extrapolation. Come to the fourth part. Somebody time is given 47.60 and still the world record is 2018. अगर सी पार्ट पर चेक करें तो इन सी पार्ट द टाइम इज 41.96 इन 2005 और 2018 में 47.60 is given. If I use this time in my question, my answer is 42 point this and the time will be 1999. He is saying for 2018 or in my question it is 1999. So who is wrong? We both are wrong. But according this 47.60 is still a world record. That means we don't have any change after that. So we cannot believe this model to predict the future world record times. In some of the cases कुछ रिकॉर्ड कुछ प्लेयर्स ने बनाए हुए, वो रिकॉर्ड अभी तक नहीं टूटे. दैट मीन्स हम एक पर्टिकुलर मैथमेटिकल मॉडल लेके अगर किसी रिकॉर्ड की स्टडी करेंगे और बीच में वो रिकॉर्ड ऐसा बन गया जो टूटता ही नहीं है, देन तो डिस्कस द रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ दिस मॉडल. नो, वी कैन नॉट रिलाई. रीजन? बिकॉज इट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेशन. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीज टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू सॉल्व दीज 6 क्वेश्चंस. Not more than that. Today's class is over. Be at home, be safe, और इन questions को करें. And if you feel any confusion, you will ask to me. You are free to ask. Confusion हो group में डाल दो, I will revert. Thank you very much. God bless you.